Okay, coming up here on the left-hand side in a moment is our most famous robot in the factory. And this large red robot is any guesses? Yeah, you got it right. First try. Wolverine. So Wolverine will use his sharp claws to pick up our red, ultra red Model X here, and actually put it up here on the mezzanine level. Now we'll do that so we can move. We're at the end of production line 1, and to move our vehicles to production line 2 on the other side, Wolverine will pick it up, put it up here, and then it'll turn around, and then that's Iceman on the other side. Iceman will bring our vehicles back down to production line 2. Now again, we'll utilize the vertical space to keep the ground floor here clear for the material handlers to bring parts to all the different stations of the production floor. And so in about 7 seconds, maybe 8, Wolverine is going to pick up this Model X and actually put it up here on the mezzanine level. And so, oh, and then they paused the line. They just stopped it. They better move. Of course, right when I start talking about it, it stops. Okay, it should start moving here momentarily. Well, while we're waiting for it to start moving again, on the other side where there's a bunch of bright lights over there, that area over there is called final line. And that's the last production line where the vehicles then leave the production line and they'll roll over on their wheels and we'll spin the electric motors over there and then to make sure the electric motors are working properly. And then we'll send the vehicles to a tunnel where we'll spray water on them to make sure there's no leaks. And then they'll go to another set of bright lights like that, which is called EOL, end of line. And that's where we inspect all the details of the vehicle. The gap lines, what they call, in between the door panel and the body, the wheels. Oh, it's moving it, thanks. And then I'll leave the building and eventually go to a happy customer one day soon. Okay, here goes Wolverine. Watch carefully. And just like that, Wolverine will do that throughout its shift. This is where I clap for Wolverine. You can clap too, it's okay. This is where I clap for Wolverine. I say thank you very much, Wolverine, for doing such a great job. I believe the robots deserve some love too.